welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Ritika. Welcome to BeautiCo. आज इस वीडियो में I am gonna be showing you this Indo-Western style makeup look right here. I am in love with it, and this time it's a one brand tutorial and I am using Milani products in this particular video. I absolutely love Milani products. They are such good quality products and they are a little bit expensive than your normal Maybelline, L'Oreal and all of that, but they are so worth it. All the products that I've used in this video are too good, and one of the all these products are included in my daily makeup routine. And this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to do a one brand tutorial using only Milani because I absolutely love the brand and I absolutely love the quality of their products. And as you can see, this makeup look has turned out so damn beautiful. So if you all want to know how I achieved this Indo-Western style makeup look, please keep watching. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So I'm gonna start by priming my face. I am gonna be using the Milani's Prime Shield Face Primer. This mattifies and fills in the pores. ये silicone based primer है. It does the job. It fills in the pores. It smooths my skin. So मैं primer इसलिए लगा रही हूँ ताकि मेरा makeup काफ़ी लंबे time तक चले. And this primer is pretty old, so I hope it does not break me out or cause any damage. Now what I'll do is I'll just use the concealer. This is the Milani's Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. Now this is exactly the same shade of my skin tone and this is a full coverage concealer. Very thin in consistency, ज़्यादा heavy नहीं लगता है skin पे, and one of the better concealers in the market. I absolutely love this one. तो मैं पहले concealer लगा के मेरे dark circles और spots को cover कर दूँगी and then I'll go in with foundation. उससे क्या होगा कि मेरा base बहुत ही natural दिखेगा और heavy नहीं लगेगा. तो मैं हल्का सा concealer यहाँ पे लगा लूँगी. And wherever I have spots, I'm just gonna cover it with this concealer. थोड़ा सा around my mouth क्योंकि वहाँ पे थोड़ी darkness है. Right here and right here. I think that's about it. Eyelids को भी cover ही कर लेती हूँ since I'm doing the job of covering everything. And then I'll just blend this out using a concealer brush. I'm just blending it out with my fingers. Now I'll take the Milani's Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm in the shade 06 Sand Beige and I'm just gonna pump this out on my hand. Just this much. ये भी बहुत ही full coverage foundation है तो a little bit goes a long way. तो मैं इसको dot कर दूँगी मेरे face पे. और मैं मेरी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से इसको blend कर दूँगी. I love this foundation. It gives me a very glowy finish, but it also does last a pretty long time even on my oily skin. Now I'll just bake under my eyes ताकि वहाँ से कुछ भी move ना हो. उसके लिए मैं use करूँगी Milani का translucent banana powder. This powder also is one of my favorite powders to set my entire face or to bake with. And I'm also gonna bake my smile lines. And the rest of the face I'm just going to set it with this ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर ताकि कुछ भी मूव ना हो। Now quickly I'll just do my brows using my regular brow pomade. I don't have anything from Milani for my brows, तो मैं quickly मेरे brows को fill करके we'll move on to the next step. Next हम करेंगे eyes. For that I am using the Milani's Gilded Coast eyeshadow palette. ये वाला मैंने palette पहले भी use कर चुकी हूँ। The only thing about this palette is there is no like warm brown or any brown shade as such in this, but the other colors are like really beautiful. So वो एक brown transition देने के लिए मैं Milani का bronzer use कर लेती हूँ। बहुत ही बेसिक आई शेडो लुक रखने वाली हूँ मैं। ये ब्राउन शेड यूज़ कर लूँगी। आपके पास जो भी ब्राउन शेड है वो आप खुद यूज़ कर सकते हैं। And I am going to just brush this in my transition area. Circular motions and windshield wiper motions. Just थोड़ा सा color add करने के लिए I did this. नेक्स्ट मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ ये वाला शेड. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज वेके. तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फॉल आउट है और मुझे ये आई शेडो को थोड़ा इंटेंस भी करना है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज़ आई जस्ट टेक द सेटिंग स्प्रे. दिस इज द मिलानीज मेक इट लास्ट सेटिंग स्प्रे और ये मैं मेरे ब्रश पे स्प्रे कर दूँगी. इससे क्या होगा कि फॉल आउट भी नहीं होगा और आई शेडो भी इंटेंस हो जाएगा. लुक एट दैट शेड. It is so beautiful. Next मैं लूँगी ये वाला शेड. दिस इज कैच ऑफ द डे. दिस इज लाइक अ ग्रे शेड और इससे मैं मेरे अपर और लोअर वाटर लाइन को लाइन कर दूँगी. वेरी क्लोज, बहुत ही थिन. तो ये बहुत ही सॉफ्ट लुक रहेगा. और इसको मैं हल्का सा एक विंग आईलाइनर कर दूंगी और इसी को मैं मेरे लोअर वाटर लाइन पे भी स्मज कर दूंगी. वेरी क्लोज टू माई लैश लाइन. आई मेकअप ऑलमोस्ट डन. अब बस ये बेक को हटा देंगे. जस्ट रिमूविंग माई बेक एंड वी हैव लाइक रियली क्लियर अंडर आईज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस नो फॉल आउट. जस्ट फाइनल टचेस, थोड़ा सा इसको इंटेंस कर रही हूँ. Now it's time to apply lots of mascara. मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मिलानी का Lash Trifecta. This lengthens curls and separates lashes. So सब में पहले तो मैं अपने lashes को curl कर दूँगी. Thoughts on this mascara is that it's an okay mascara. It's not waterproof. I usually like waterproof mascaras because they just stay longer and I feel like they have a better formula as compared to non-waterproof one. Eyes are complete. Now let's move on to the rest of the face. I am gonna start by bronzing and contouring using the same, this is the Silky Matte Bronzing Powder by Milani and this is in the shade Suntan. This is a beautiful bronzer, by the way. It has a similar texture to the Physicians formula and it smells also very similar to the Physicians formula. A very good bronzer. And I'm just gonna place this in the hollows of my cheeks and give myself a little bit of a chisel. जहाँ भी contour करना है, जो भी चीज़ को shape देना है आप दे सकते हैं. If you want to skip contour, you can even do that. It's all your personal preference. Next, it's time for blush, and Milani blushes are honestly my favorite blushes of all time. Today I am gonna be using the Milani's Rose Powder Blush, and this is the Trio palette. This is one of my favorites, और ये मैं like everyday use के लिए use करती हूँ. So I'm gonna use a mixture of this shade and this shade right here. और इसको मैं highest points of my cheeks पे ही रखूँगी. I won't get it to a head. And on my nose, that's where I want to keep it. For highlighter, I am using the Milani Sunglow Strobelight Instant Glow powder. The shade is Sunglow, by the way. ये भी one of my top favorite highlights है. It's a beautiful highlighter, you will see. I'm telling you guys, Milani makes some amazing products. And then before we move on to lips, I am going to spritz my face with some setting spray to melt all the powderiness and to set this look right here. And then finally, we are going to be doing lips. For lips, I'm going to be giving you all two options. So the first one is going to be a deep red and the other one is going to be a nude shade. So first I'm going to show you the nude shade. This is my favorite, all-time favorite lip color in a nude shade as well as formula. This is Milani's Amore matte lip cream in the shade Stunning. Before I go in with that shade, I'm gonna first line my lips. This is my all-time favorite way to wear that lipstick, like a darker brown lip liner, and then going ahead and filling it with that shade. The smell on this lipstick is just too good. So yeah, this is my take on the Indo-Western style Indian look. I absolutely love it. I've never done something like that before, but I am so glad that I tried this out and it turned out so beautiful. Such a traditional, like it's a desi Indo-Western look. I love it so much. What do you guys think? So yeah, that's it. I am gonna go now. If you all did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.